Artoonza.
Hey there, sparkle champions and finger painting pros. Ready to dive into a world where glitter reigns supreme? Today, we're getting messy in the most colorful way possible as we paint our hands into shimmering masterpieces. Give us your like. Grab your favorite colors, sprinkle on some glitter, and let's give your creativity a high five. Literally. It's time to hand Lee some fun. Ready to splash some color? Red. Let's color together. Purple? Color, color, color.
Wow!
Aw, so cute.
Green. Give us a big thumbs up. Blue. Snowy white. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Yellow. This is better. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. 1, 2, 3 now. This is so
Aw,
amazing.
so cute.
Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.